Hello, my friend. Welcome to Talk Tia. Before you scroll, before you skip this video, listen to me carefully. If someone says, please introduce yourself, and suddenly your mind goes blank, this video is made for you.
Yes, that moment feels very scary.
Your heart beats fast, your mouth feels dry, and you forget even your name.
You know English, but you can't start.
If this happens to you, stay with us, because by the end of this podcast, you will know how to introduce yourself confidently in every situation.
Office, interview, new people, daily life.
And we will do it slowly, calmly, and naturally. If you want to practice English daily without fear and pressure, subscribe to Talk Tia. Not because you must, but because learning is easier together. Now, let me ask you something important. Calling out the real pain. Tia, why do people fear self-introduction so much?
Because it's the first impression.
Yes, and first impressions feel heavy.
People think if I speak wrong English, they will judge me.
That thought creates fear. Now, listen carefully. This is very important. Most people don't fail because they don't know English.
They fail because they don't know what to say first.
And when the start is confusing, confidence disappears. A truth most people miss. Let me tell you something very honestly.
I'm listening.
A confident introduction is not a long introduction.
Oh,
It is a clear introduction.
short is better.
Always. And now listen carefully. This one idea will change everything for you. The golden rule of introduction. Never try to say everything.
That's a big mistake.
Say only what is needed.
That feels easier already.
Confidence comes when your brain feels safe, and safety comes from simplicity. The simplest self-introduction, base version. Let's start with the most basic form.
The safest one.
Every confident introduction has only 3 parts.
Only 3?
Yes, name, what you do, one small extra detail. That's all. Interactive practice, first introduction. Say this with me. Hello, my name is Tia. I am from New York. I work as your profession, or I am a student,
That already sounds confident.
because it is clear. Light human moment.
Earlier, I tried to sound very impressive.
And what happened?
I sounded very confused.
Yes, trying to impress creates fear.
Trying to connect creates confidence.
Why people freeze while introducing themselves. Let's understand the fear.
This is important.
When someone says, introduce yourself, your brain asks too many questions.
Should I speak formally? Informally? Long? Short?
Too many options create panic.
So we remove options.
Exactly. We use a simple structure every time. Self-introduction for daily life. Now, imagine you meet someone casually.
A neighbor, a friend of a friend.
You don't need formality. You can say, Hi, I'm Tia. Nice to meet you.
Very natural.
Interactive practice, casual version. Say this softly. Hi, I'm Jane. Nice to meet you.
That feels relaxed.
Relaxed English is confident English. One big mistake learners make. Many learners memorize introductions.
Big paragraphs.
And when they forget one line,
Everything stops.
never memorize. Understand the idea. Name, work, one detail. That's enough. Curiosity loop, retention trigger. Now listen carefully. In the next part, we will talk about introducing yourself in professional situations.
Office, meetings, interviews.
And we will show you how to sound confident even if your English is simple.
Most people get this wrong, so don't go anywhere.
Soft engagement. If you are still listening,
You are serious about improving.
subscribe to Talk Tia
This channel helps you speak English confidently.
and write one simple line in the comments.
I can introduce myself.
That's enough.
Now, let's move a little forward, because life is not always casual.
Sometimes it becomes professional,
Office, meetings, new colleagues.
and that's where fear becomes bigger.
Yes, because we think, now I must sound smart. Now, listen carefully. This is very important. Why do professional introductions feel hard?
Tom, why do people feel more nervous in professional situations?
Because they think English shows intelligence.
Exactly. They think if my English is simple, people will think I am weak.
But the truth is very different.
A truth most people miss.
In offices and meetings, people want clarity,
Not big English,
not fancy words.
just clear information.
Now, listen carefully. Simple English sounds confident in professional life.
Professional self-introduction, safe version.
Let's build a safe professional introduction.
Safe means no fear.
Exactly. Here is the structure: name, role, team or work area. That's all.
Interactive practice, office introduction.
Say this with me. Hello, my name is, I work as, I'm a part of the team.
That already sounds professional.
Because it is clear and calm.
Light human moment. Earlier, I added too much.
Like what?
My experience, my achievements, my full story.
And?
And I forgot what to say.
Yes, professional introductions are short.
One common professional mistake.
Many learners start like this.
Respected sir, myself Tom.
This sounds very formal and unnatural in spoken English.
So what is better?
Just say, hello everyone. My name is Tom.
Simple and respectful. Interactive practice. Clean start.
Repeat this. Hello everyone. My name is...
This feels natural. Introductions in meetings.
Now imagine a meeting.
Everyone is listening.
You don't need a long speech. You can say, hi, I work in, nice to meet you all.
That's enough.
Yes, meetings are about work, not self-stories.
Interactive practice. Meeting version.
Say it slowly. Hi, I work in, nice to meet you all.
Very confident. What about interviews?
Now listen carefully. This part is very important.
Interviews are scary,
Yes, because silence feels heavy.
and we feel pressure to talk more.
But interviews don't need long introductions.
Interview self-introduction, safe and strong.
Here is a simple interview introduction.
I like simple.
Good morning. My name is, I have experience in, I'm excited to be here.
That sounds confident.
Because it is honest and calm.
Interactive practice, interview version.
Say this. Good morning. My name is, I have experience in, I'm excited to be here.
Notice something.
No fear words, no pressure words.
Friendly humor. Earlier, I tried to sound perfect.
And now,
Now, I try to sound real.
that's confidence.
One powerful confidence trick.
Here is a small trick.
Tell us.
Before introducing yourself, take one slow breath.
That calms the body.
And a calm body creates a calm voice.
Another common mistake.
Many learners apologize.
Like, sorry, my English is weak.
Never say that.
Why?
Because it reduces your confidence before you even speak.
So what should we do?
Just speak.
Interactive practice. Confidence line.
Say this in your mind. I don't need perfect English. I need clear English.
That mindset changes everything. Caution. Curiosity loop. Retention trigger.
Now listen carefully. In the next part, we will talk about introducing yourself in unexpected situations.
Sudden questions, group introductions, online calls.
And we will also learn how to handle follow-up questions without panic.
Most people struggle here, so stay with us. Soft engagement.
If you are still here,
You're doing great.
subscribe to Talk Tia
This channel helps you speak confidently in real life.
and write one simple line in the comments.
I can speak calmly.
That's enough. Now, stay with me, because this part is about real life.
The moments we don't plan.
Sudden questions, group situations, online calls.
These moments scare people the most.
But listen carefully. You don't need special English for them. You need calm English.
Imagine this situation. You are in a group. New people. All eyes on you. Someone says, "Please introduce yourself."
That feels heavy, yes. But remember one thing. In a group, people don't want details.
They want clarity. Safe and confident group introduction.
You can say, "Hello, everyone. My name is. I work as. Nice to meet you all."
That's it?
That's enough. Confidence is not length. Confidence is control.
Say this calmly.
Hello, everyone. My name is. I work as. Nice to meet you all.
That sounds relaxed.
Because you are not trying to impress.
Earlier, in groups, I spoke very fast.
Why?
I wanted to finish quickly.
And now?
Now I speak slowly.
Slow English sounds confident.
Now let's talk about online introductions.
Zoom, Google Meet,
Here, fear comes from silence.
and from the camera. Yes, but online introductions should be even simpler.
You can say, "Hi everyone. I'm joining from. Happy to be here."
Very friendly. Friendly English builds connection.
Say this.
Hi, everyone. I'm joining from. Happy to be here.
That feels natural.
Now, listen carefully. This is very important.
Follow-up questions create panic.
Yes, someone may ask, "What do you do exactly? How long have you been working?"
And the mind goes blank.
Never answer in long sentences.
Short answers first.
Then stop. You can say, "I work in marketing. I handle social media."
Clear.
If they want more, they will ask.
Say this.
I work in. I handle.
No pressure, no rush. Earlier, I answered everything at once.
And
I answered questions no one asked.
let people ask.
This is a very common fear.
What if I forget English words?
Then you slow down.
And use simple words.
You can say, "Let me explain simply." I mean,
That saves you.
repeat this.
Let me explain simply. I mean,
These phrases give time. Let me tell you something important.
please do.
People are not judging your English.
They are listening to your message. When your message is clear, your English is enough.
If you feel nervous while introducing yourself,
That does not mean you are weak.
it means you care.
And people who care improve.
Confidence is built one introduction at a time.
Here is a small habit.
Very useful.
Introduce yourself to yourself.
In the mirror?
Yes, say your name, say your work, say one line, daily.
Say this slowly.
My name is, I'm happy to be here.
That sounds confident. Most people avoid introductions.
You didn't.
You stayed.
You practiced. That means you are growing.
If you stayed till the end,
Be proud of yourself.
subscribe to Talk Tia
This is your safe place to practice English.
and write one simple sentence in the comments. My name is blank. Nice to meet you.
That's perfect.
Remember,
You don't need perfect English
you need clear English.
and calm confidence.
See you in the next podcast. Keep speaking. Keep growing.